Hi, this is a basic inventory management system based on Google Sheet. Here you can see that I have a record of stock in, and here I have some list of perfumes and their quantities. And for example, let's try. I have a perfume called Beachfront. So let's try searching with the name front. And when I click search, so it gives me all the products which contain the word front. So I can it gives me the quantity, so I can click over here, and for example a client wants one perfume and their name is Smith. uh, their mode of delivery and other stuff I can add over here, and I can click submit, and the data is sent to the sheet, in the sales sheet over here. So you can see this record has been added. And now if I search front again, I see quantity decreased due to the sale. So let me know what you think about this project. Thank you very much. Bye.